So hello everyone, today we'll see the Cornsweet illusion. Those colors are the same. Why do you think it's not? Because of this line, which is indeed from two different colors. But, as I said, those two ones are at 100% similar. So how are we going to do it? Select that, delete, Shift A, plane, view, say 2. It's a really quick tutorial, okay? I could even do it in less than a minute, but let's take our time. It's not a marathon. Yeah, emission. Mix shader. Actually, wait. What we need is color ramp, sorry, because I'm used to use a mix shader because of the previous tutorials. Wave, texture, again. Now you already see what it will be, so we'll take, let's say, a kind of orange, maybe. So, take this one, up, and now we want two different colors, there and there, so 0.45 and 550, sorry. No. Let's take this one. Say 0.9. Take this one. Let's say that we want a different value. Now we have to scale that a bit. Put this one to the middle. Nope. Okay. Now let's say 0.49. Let's take this one. Let's put it a bit closer, maybe. So, okay, it's working. I mean, on the other example, because I have to put, yes, less. Okay, now this one, let's put it at 95. Maybe. Let me see that again. Yeah, it's working. We had to tweak it a bit, but no, it's working. Yeah, this one looks lighter than this one. Let me check that again. Yeah, it's really beginning at this zone. Let's try B-spline for a smoother transition. What do you think? It works, no? Look. Lighter, darker. It's not as perfect as that. Maybe. Say 0.5. CTRL-C, copy. Yeah, this way it works, okay. Yeah, we need to really see this line. Okay, I think it's good this way, so that's it for this video. I have nothing else to propose. Next time, pardon me, we'll see the Zollner, illusion. I think you see what it is. Those lines looks like they are converging to a point, which is not the case. They are all parallel, and it's all because of the additional details around them. So we'll see that in the next video. I hope you liked it, and bye!